Hey everybody, it's me Madison. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review on these Moxie lashes that I got. Here's what they look like. So I got the set that has like the cleaner, the liner, and then 3 sets of lashes. So let me show you everything. So here's the bag it comes in. We got 2 bags. So the 3 lashes are in one. So we got the baddie lashes, the sassy lashes, which are the ones I'm going to be trying on, and the flashy lashes. And these are all magnetic, and the eyeliner that comes with it is magnetic. So you put that on and then you put the lashes on. And then you have the remover, which are little cotton swabs with the remover on it. Then you have the eyeliner. So I already did makeup. And then we're going to put the eyelashes on, and then we're going to see how they work. So yeah, I'm going to put them on. Okay, so the lashes I'm going to be using are these sassy lashes. Excuse my nails. And I'm going to be using this liquid magnetic eyeliner they provide. So there's the box. Here's what it looks like. It's not that heavy. And then here's the eyeliner wand. So, I'm bad at eyeliner. So, should I have my mom help me? Because she's bad at eyeliner too. So, well, let's try and see how the remover works. I can't make a face. Remover. Remover thingies. You get 30. My mom's gonna try to do it this time. It's kind of hard to work with because of the so you let it dry a little bit before you put the lashes on. So I'm gonna try to put it on now. See, that looks funny. The eyeliner process was harder to do. Because of the brush on the eyeliner. Here's what it looks like. It doesn't feel weird, but it feels weird like when you first put them on. So now I'm going to put the other one on. And I'll be right back because it's probably going to take a while. Okay, so now I'm going to put it on. Does it look okay? So I got the lashes on. They don't come off. And yeah. If you watch my vlogs, which you should because they're funny, I'll probably do updates on these to see how they're lasting throughout the day. Yeah. So pros about the lashes are like they stay on and they're easy to put on. And they're like, they look cute. And then the cons is like the eyeliner brush is really stiff. It feels like a stick instead of a brush. And they're more pricey on like the pricier side. But yeah, if you want to check these out, I'll leave their link down below so you can go pick up a pair of Moxie lashes. So yeah, so I'll leave their link down below if you want to check them out. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time on Miss Number 12. Bye.